Okay, welcome back to the Tinkerage. As you might be able to tell, I've got a bit of a cold, so please excuse the slight difference in my voice from normal. Progress check. I've made some, and here it is. We have a shelf in place, a couple of quick dirty brackets, and been able to put some of the cases up. At the moment, I've just got them stacked up on there. To stack some of them vertically, I'm going to need to make some sort of supports because they want to flip over. I might not go that far yet, but certainly got plenty of space to move some of the other ones over, possibly. Been thinking about things as I've been going along. I have some junk to get rid of, so that's something that needs to be done. Been able to actually just about start to see bits of the bench, which is good. Been thinking about what to do with my jars with screws and nuts and bolts and washers, but I do use a lot. I use that quite frequently. I don't want to put them on this shelf here. It's going to add a lot of extra weight. It's not as thick as the original shelf, and I don't want to obscure any more of the view of the garden and the light that comes in from there. So one option is that I might actually put some bars on the ceiling and mount them on the ceiling. It's only just over 6 foot tall in here, so yeah, reaching them is not going to be difficult. I'm short enough; they're not really bumping into my head. I'm also considering moving my fluorescent tube so that it's a bit further over, so that it's got a better lighting on the two worktops. But that's something I again need to just toy with over the next couple of days, maybe. So I've got a little bit of structure here that I want to add in. I've got some blank boards. I need to think about what I want to store on those, things that can be accessible. Is it going to make some sort of screwdriver racks, spanner racks, something to hold my files? I've got these boxes. These are ones that kind of stop together to make different configurations. At the moment, I've just been contemplating whether to stick them alongside the racco trays over there. Stick them alongside the drawers over there, but that will then leave a space in the corner, which I'm not sure will be particularly useful for anything. Although one option is to actually keep that space for storing things like my tripod. Just be able to tuck it away in there. But then that will obscure getting things in, so it's, you think about one thing and then that has a knock-on effect on something else. I'm really liking the fact that these boxes here are nice and accessible, and these are much better accessible. Made an additional shelf for the CD player, so that's dedicated just for that, and first aid kit up there. I've been thinking about lighting a little bit. I have a few spotlights, and I might just get some alternate bulbs for those for task lighting. Also, now with this shelf in place, I do have some LED strip left over from some projects, 12 volts. I might just install some of that as well. I don't know. I need to, again, as I've said to you several times in the past week or so with this vlog, I need to just take it one step at a time, think about it, let things mull over for a couple of days, and then just see how we go from there. So, some good progress has been made. Stop back, hit that notification button, subscribe, and I'll see you possibly in another couple of days with hopefully a little bit more progress. Bye for now.